Okay, so this has been working for several days now, but today it stopped working. So you can see if I do the button, it doesn't work. The locks don't work. The back window works.
Mine up.
But the front window is not working. Here, Sue, hold this, but hold it where, like, this is in the picture.
What's in the picture? Oh, that thing. Is it on right now?
Yeah. Okay, so if I take the front plug and unplug it.
I got it. Keep going.
And I plug it back in, it works. Now, it'll work for a while, and then it'll quit working again, and I have to pop it out and unplug the front and plug it back in for it to work again. This is now like the 5th or 6th time in just 2 or 3 weeks that I've had to do this.